You know those periods when you have a very stressful and hectic day. What comes to your mind is to get home, have warm shower or bath, then sleep. However, when you try to sleep, mostly for people that take longer time to sleep, and then this sound comes in, you are on an important call or interview, you realize that someone close to you is snoring. How do you
What
feel?
type of plane is this?
Upset, right? But hold on, before you start feeling bad, do you know you can actually help this person sleep better and you also have a peaceful sleep with just simple techniques? Welcome to Clara's Corner. On this page, we create awareness on physical and mental well-being. If this is what you enjoy listening, like, share, and kindly stay tuned. What is snoring? Snoring is that sound produced when airway is obstructed during sleep, causing vibration in the throat tissues. So it's that vibration that produces that sound. Imagine when you tell someone that they snore, forget it. You argue and argue till tomorrow. You will explain tire, I swear.
It is smoky.
Causes of snoring. There are systems that can commonly cause this obstruction to airway during sleep. So one of it is nasal structure. So some individuals have naturally narrower airways due to factors like genetic or structural abnormalities in nose, throat, or their jaw. This can lead to increased resistance to airway and a higher likelihood of snoring. Another cause is muscle tone. So during sleep, the muscle in the throat and the tongue relax. In some people, this relaxation can cause the tongue and the soft tissue in the throat to collapse. So, so it collapses backward, partially causing this obstruction, and this person will start snoring. Another cause is overweight. Yeah, so excess fat tissue around the neck and throat can put pressure on airway, leading to narrowing of the airway, thereby causing snoring. This happened to mostly obese people. Now, another thing is sleep position. Sleeping on the back can cause the tongue and soft tissue in the throat to fall backward, thereby blocking the airway and causing snoring. So, for back sleepers, they are likely to snore. Another thing is sedative. So, it could be due to alcohol intake or some sedative pills. So consumption of any of these can relax the muscle. Get me right. When I say alcohol, it's not when you take a sip. You know, there are people that get drunk and like they got drunk of alcohol. So excess intake of alcohol or any sedative can cause relaxation in the throat and causing this snoring. And number six cause is nasal congestion. So nasal congestion could come from allergy, could come from cold or sinus infection. Any of this can cause nasal congestion, yeah. And when this occur, it leads to mouth breathing. So you see people breathe from their mouth. There are some people that when they're sleeping, their mouths are opened and to an extent saliva start dripping out.
Jesus is Lord!
Joke apart. So people that sleep while their mouths are open, so anything can cause that. When this happen, what happen is there will be increased airway resistance, all right, which can contribute to the snoring. So following the above cause, do you think that it's only overweight people that snore? Because there's this popular say that it's only people that fat that
Sorry.
not fat, only people that are overweight that snore. So do you think that's true? Drop down your opinion. See, the worst thing that you can do is to tell someone to their face that they snore without bringing solution. My dear, You will explain and explain and
Apostle
argue
will hear of this.
because the person you are telling don't even know that they snore. So there are things that you can do to help this person. One is encourage this person to always sleep on their side. So for some people, I know it's difficult, but you just have to learn it. Reduce sedative, alcohol intake, etc. So any sleeping pills you have to reduce it unless it's prescribed by your GP, alright, maybe following your condition. For people that sleep with their mouth open, you can introduce this anti-snoring kit. Finally, always seek for medical advice if the cause is from nasal congestion. If you watch up to this level, well done. If you enjoy this knowledge, kindly share, like, and keep connected. See ya!